Here's a 2019 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. It's well equipped with the features you need: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Groganstown Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we're committed to exceptional customer satisfaction. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.